So you just had an amazing time with a girl, and she looks at you as the date comes to an end. How do you confidently leave, knowing you'll be on her mind all week? What is going on, fellas? Today I've got 3 things for you to perfect your kiss that will leave a girl saying, "That was so hot, I can't wait to tell my friends." Then at the end of the video, I've got a special little trick for you guys to perfect that kiss and make it unforgettable for that girl. I mean, come on, these guys are insane. They're trying to shove their tongue down these girls' throats immediately, and that is not what a girl loves. Or they just do not pucker up correctly and they just have super tense lips that a girl does not want to kiss. Trust me guys, tons of girls have come to me and told me horror stories about how and why they do not like the guys that they have kissed in the past. It's honestly really embarrassing to hear these stories come from my fellow brethren, only because I know you guys are not like that, okay? Let me explain how a girl loves to be kissed. The very first and most important thing that we need to go over right now is the eye contact and having a smile. You see, as a man, you need to have that strong eye contact to make that connection with somebody else, especially if it's a girl you are about to kiss. But along with that eye contact, you also need to have a nice friendly smile that says to her, nothing else in this world is quite as important as you are right now, baby. When it comes time for the kiss, don't be looking down, don't be looking at your phone, don't be looking around. Be looking straight into her eyeballs. And to make that sexy face irresistible to kiss, you want to make sure that when you are looking this girl in her eyes and you've got that nice big smile on your face, you want to make her feel like nothing exists. Now, the second thing we need to go over to have the perfect kiss is to consider physical touch, or put simply, your hand placement. You see, physical touch is absolutely imperative when it comes to going in for the kiss, because you want to make this girl feel like she is on fire, like fireworks are going off in her head. So if you're standing right in front of her, you're looking her dead in the eyes with a big smile on your face, and you lean in and put your hand on her neck, she's going to feel a burst of emotions going through her entire body just before you lean in for the kiss. And make sure you are not standing awkwardly, because if she gets the impression that you are awkward or it's being weird, these girls are very impressionable, bro. So if you're just standing here and she's standing right here next to you and you guys are both facing the same way, it's not gonna go well, bro. So what you want to do is wrap your hand around her neck, not too tightly like you're controlling her, but not too loose like you're too afraid to put your hand there, but so comfortably that this girl does not even want to leave your grasp. And the third thing that we need to go over is the actual kiss itself. This is where a lot of guys go wrong, okay? This is where a lot of guys mess up and a girl never wants to kiss them ever again. Now that you've got your hand wrapped gently around her neck, what you want to do is lean in for the kiss. Now keep your eyes closed. A huge mistake that a lot of guys do is that they keep their eyes open while they're kissing. Now that's just weird, bro. Another big mistake guys make is that their lips are way too tense or way too loose and wet and sloppy. Then you just want to lean in, ease into the kiss. This is a slow process. Ease into it, bro. As you're easing into this kiss, it may just turn into a full-on makeout, but you want to make sure that you're taking lead of the kiss. You want to make sure that you are the one who says when to kiss and when not to kiss, and how fast to kiss. But also keep note of how she's feeling about the kiss. If she's trying to tug away from you, it's probably very apparent that she does not want to continue kissing you. However, if she's just sitting there and she is enjoying it for 10 minutes straight, you've got the green light, bro. And to finish off this video, to make sure that this girl never forgets that kiss that you just gave her, just as you guys are kissing and things are about at its climax, you just want to gently pull away from her face as she leans towards you to continue kissing you. Now, as you're doing this, go ahead and smile, give a little chuckle, because you just had an awesome time, you just had an awesome kiss, and you know she did too. So pulling away like that is going to indicate that you are done with the kiss and not her. That means you call the shots and you say, hey, that was awesome, but we're done now. Because bro, if you can stop the kiss on a high note like that, I promise you, she will never forget that moment. If you like this video, go ahead, smash that like button, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this every single week. Turn on that little bell notification. And until next time, boys, stay sexy, and may your next kiss be the best kiss.